Today we're going to talk about recycling, vacuuming, and charging with our recycling machine right here. It does all three. It also does a leak test. We'll go through that. So the first thing you do, we're going to hook up the lines. Low side. That's the high side. Blue for low, red for high. Alright, then you're going to close these valves, which is going to open the straighter valve. Alright, then you're going to go back to your machine over here. Not trip over it. Alright, so hit recycle. Check oil drain level, adjust O-ring. What that's saying is you're going to look at your oil right here. And you want to take note of where it's at now compared to where it's at after it's done. Because you want to put whatever it takes out back. Then it says continue. Yes. Connect hoses, open valves. That's what we did a second ago. All right. Right now it's going to recycle it. Oh, it's past 3 minutes, we can pause. Alright, so it said recycling complete, amount recovered 0 ounces. So this system didn't have any refrigerant in it, or the machine didn't operate properly. Normally it would evacuate 20 ounces, give or take, depending on how much the system has. Then we would do a vacuum. We can still do vacuum. Go. All right, if the machine was just kidding. All right, so now we're going to do the vacuum. It wants to know the amount of vacuum. We're just showing how the process works. Normally you want to do it at least 15 minutes. Really, the longer the better. We're going to do a minute. Perform leak test, yes. And All right, now it's checking for a leak. Test failed. All right, so no, go ahead. So then if it didn't have a leak, of course now if it has a leak, we want to find the leak and repair it and then go from there after we suck the refrigerant back out. Or actually, we would have already sucked it out at this point. If it didn't have a leak though, we want to hit charge. Then it's going to ask you how much to charge. You put in the amount. It's going to charge the machine. Yep. You can get the amount on the air compressor itself, or it's under the hood, or in your in the service manufacturer service manual. So then you want to charge it, and you're going to check your pressures, make sure they're within range. That's also in your service manual. And that's it.